We've got a massive elephant here. We're gonna take a chance and just stay put and let him past us. Good morning. We are crossing the Sundays River here into the little town of Colchester. We are doing something a bit different this morning. We will enter the Addo Elephant Park entrance gate at the south, a few kilometers from here, and we will do a game drive for today. It will be a self-drive with the Hilux. So yeah, we hope to show you some beautiful animals. We normally see a lot of elephant, but we also hope to maybe see a couple of lions and maybe leopard and hyena and other predators today. So yeah, let's see what we can show you. Okay, we are here, the southern gate of the park. We will just get our permits quickly and then we will go into the game viewing area. Right, we've got the permits and we are in the game viewing area. We will take a slow drive and see what we can pick up, but let's hope we can see something nice today. Okay, we've turned into the Fukani loop, the first loop or the second loop from the gate. So I could see at the gate that there was lions spotted on this loop yesterday, so we hope they're still around. Maybe when you enter the park you will get a map like this and that you can follow all the loops and places to see. So yeah, we will drive slowly and see if we can get any wildlife on this loop. Maybe a little bit far, but we've got some red hartebeest here and also a massive warthog digging up the sand there. Quite a windy morning and quite cold. See, the warthog is coming to visit us, looks like. Some nice warthog here close to the road. Got some more red hartebeest here. They're all looking in a certain direction. I don't know what I see. Okay, we turned into Harvey's Loop and there's this beautiful big tree here. Absolutely stunning tree. Looks like a wild fig. Okay, we've got a nice buffalo here. Ooh, two lonely bulls. Got a very nice big elephant here. Just take a very slow drive past it. We've got a massive elephant here. We're gonna take a chance and just stay put and let him past us. That was some spectacular footage, that. You can't get closer than that. Okay, we just turned into Jack's picnic spot road here. I will show you what the place looked like quickly. If you plan your day correctly, you can maybe come here at about lunchtime. Have a nice braai here because they've got braai facilities and also toilets and so on. That elephant sighting we had just now was quite spectacular. And the two buffalo bulls, the one was quite aggressive, so we had to go away quickly because it's going to attack the bucky. But anyway, quite interesting day so far. Just want to press the button here to go in. Quite a lot of people that braai here normally, and all little braai areas all around here that you can use. And the toilet is up this side. Okay, we're here at Domkrag Dam. There is a male lion, but it's quite far and out of range for this camera. But he's standing there just behind the reeds. Yeah, beautiful. There's lots of people here looking, but unfortunately it's a bit far. And there's no road that we can get closer whatsoever. So okay, the male lion is walking towards this area here. We've quickly drove around and I can see the zebra is quite upset at the moment. We'll see if we can pick him up from here. All the zebra is looking in his direction. See if we can pick the male lion up. It's walking this way definitely. Okay, we're gonna pop into the main camp quickly for something to eat at the restaurant. That male lion is there in the veld, but about 200 meters away from the road, so you can't really see anything. But this afternoon when we drive all the way down again, we will go past there and see if we can pick him up. Apparently there's 2 males, so we hope to maybe see him later this afternoon. Okay, we're here in the main camp, Addo. There's a restaurant here, shop, filling station and so on, and also some centers where you can watch interesting things about the history of the park and things like that. You can always go onto the Addo website as well for more information. We're just gonna go to the restaurant for something to eat, and then we will take a very slow drive all the way back, see if we can pick up those lions again. And yeah, anything nice that we can show you. This is the Chateau Brown Steaks. Looks beautiful, this man. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Bon appetit. Okay, the food was excellent here at the cattle barn, so we off to resuming the game drive, going down south again, see what we can see. Okay, we're back here at the line sighting. If it's still like far away from the road, we will just go past, but you can see all the vehicles here trying to see something. But let's have a look, and if it's close we will show you. Otherwise it's gonna be bad luck. But it's very far from the road. You can barely see it with your bare eyes, so on the camera it's gonna be virtually impossible. Okay, the line is lying right in front of the bush there. With our bare eyes we can see it quite nicely, but I'm not sure what it will look like on the camera, but it's like about 60-70 meters away. But nice to see lions. Nice elephant here. Couple of kudus here, females and one young bull. What a nice kudu bull here. A little bit far from the road, but
We have an elephant herd crossing the road here.
really big herd of elephants this. Just trying not to interfere with them too much, but we pushing through slowly. Wow, that guy was right on top of us now. Anyway, live to tell the tale. Massive elephant here having something to eat in the bush. Okay, we're heading out the park now. Interesting day. We saw some very nice elephants. We were very lucky to see those male lions. Unfortunately, they were just lying down. Probably had a meal not long ago, so they were not going anywhere fast. Yeah, interesting about the elephants here is you can get quite close to them. Elephants in Kruger National Park, you will never get this close, so they're quite more aggressive. I think the park here is quite smaller, so the elephants here is probably more used to traffic and motor vehicles and so on. Anyway, nice day. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon again. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.